Hello everyone, Lewis structure of C2H4. C2H4 we called ethane. There are 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. So I'm going to place the atoms in space. And there are 2 hydrogens connected to each carbon. So we need to connect each atom using one single line. One single line means one covalent bond, 2 electrons sharing in between C and H, and in the middle C and C. So after you connect each atom using one single line, count the valence electrons. Group number is equal to the valence electrons. So carbon in group 4, 4 valence electrons, there are 2 carbon atoms. Hydrogen in group 1, 1 valence electrons, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 times 4 is 4. If you add 8 plus 4 together, 12 valence electrons total. Now let's go and check the structure. How many electrons on the structure? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 electrons on the structure. So 2 more we need to add. So those 2 electrons I will add as a lone pair on to one of the carbon. Now let's check the structure. If this is a valid structure, all the main group elements except hydrogen should have octet of electrons. Octet means 8 electrons. So carbon and hydrogen both are main groups. Each hydrogen hold maximum electrons 2. So all hydrogens are okay. However, carbon is main group. There should be 8 electrons. The second carbon is okay having 8 electrons surrounding 2, 4, 6, 3 bonds indicate 6 electrons plus lone pair, total 8. But the first carbon is not happy. Only 6 electrons surrounding the first carbon. So we need to make a double bond. This lone pair used to make a bond between carbon and carbon. Let's see how the structure looks like. Carbon-carbon single bond become double bond. 2 hydrogens attached to each carbon. Now let's count the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 single bonds, 2 electrons each bond. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus double bond means 4 electrons sharing between C and C. So total is 12 electrons. Now you can clearly see on the structure all 12 electrons we calculated on the structure now. So this is valid structure for ethane C2H4.